This 5-minute solution will show you how to create 16 photos layout on Instagram story. Follow these easy steps to do it. Once you are in your Insta application, tap on this plus icon, select story. Now tap on layout and tap on change grid. And here select this 4 grid layout. Once done, let's upload photos for these 4 layout one by one. Once you added 4 photos, tap on done. And now it's time to save these story layout. So tap on this 3 dot, tap on save. Then tap on cross, and again we will create another 4 photos layout. So again selecting 4 photos here. Tap on done, tap on 3 dot and save this photo. Again let's upload 4 photos here. Again tap on this done icon, 3 dot, save. Let's do it one more time. Tap on done, 3 dot, save. Once done, I'm going to my Photos app, and here we can see I've created total 4 layout. And now it's time to make 16 photos layout. Go to your Instagram again, and now tap on cross, and here again tap on upload, and you have to select here 4 layout you just downloaded. Once done, tap on done, and here we can see I've successfully created 16 photos layout for my Instagram story. Tap on send, and that's it. This is how we can easily create 16 photos layout for Insta story. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.